Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we do a messaging in the first time. Like our favorite boss chip is Takis. Right? Smells bad guys. I'll open it up before the Philippines. Okay, so like two chips up so how many? Yeah. By the way, look, this from Legoland. I bought this water bottle to copy it. I do propose a video, guys. Okay, this for Legoland for San Diego, California. Okay, okay, let's talk about our YouTube videos. Okay, into my my talking. Run out. I just start the video. Okay, guys. How's your like Um, we make a YouTube video about me back here. A mixing video, our first one. I make a mix of audio like 4 times. Yo, probably, yo, I don't know. God, close. It's passing. That was passing the same time. Wait, let's drink water. Okay, Friday type. We post a new video on Halloween decorations. 30 or 31st, guys. We don't know. And reach, we create the dollar voices to channel views together. Go subscribe to Best Business, my best friend YouTube channel, guys. Yeah. Um, hey guys, besides splashing helps hit away. Okay, what I'm saying? Uh, oh yeah, we talk about Becky. Okay, um, just like we talk like no not Aubrey, Becky's sister. Remember the Becky racist challenge? Aubrey is for us, guys. Yeah, we need to be more Philippines. We are talking. Yeah, guys, have a question. What's your favorite song? Mine is Build a Beep Bella Boat. Guys, look at Ollie. You'll see me in the ground right now, but my doggy, hi Ollie. Um, hey, guys, I'm single because I don't have a girlfriend yet. So young piece of anime, so I'm a 7th grader. Yeah. Guys, I need more water away. Guys, like, do not typical demon, guys. He's a fun player. Yeah, to smell. He, his, oh gosh. Oh, landed! Look, wait, so you, oh gosh. Landed, guys, look. Oh, look at this landed. I'm sure I didn't. But sure, sure. Guys, how are you? Oh, it's changed. Wait. No freaking way. Sorry guys, wait. Oh, and gosh. Okay, family. So, we talk about um Andre's turmeric giver, aka Andre Red Way. To smell a red way, guys. Look. You know, that it's gone song in TikTok that it's going past this way. It's gone! The big from my eyes, I'm a truth, I'm a tears, I'm messing around the scene. It's gone. So not the fun of that guys. It's Sparrows. Like I don't say bad words. I'm family friendly guys. Okay. Hey. Let me be as fire. Let me my pie. Should not be the pie. Oh, I'm the for night battle pass. Ashes in my to the PC to leave me to the battle pass in the fortnight when I'm in the fortnight battle pass that time fortnight guys, I'm kind of funny guys. Hey, look at my hill. It's getting long. I'm going my molly right now. Look, shit. Look, you see this? Look, I'm going my molly. See? Look, see? That's what person was. Yeah, going my molly. Yeah, that's because you eat the Takis. Eat it in a kitchen. Oh, oh my gosh, spicy. But, so guys, I drink a lot of water. First, first part I had to get Australia. Second for it's just spicy. I had to drink water. Okay, let me talk about before the one of the best and the mullet team talking about you. Oh yeah, so no Tim Kim aka Andre Skillfish Mellow Way, by the way. Look, that's his girlfriend. Mela. Yeah. Uh, what's the song? That in the TV my grandma watching um TV show. It's got Pat Army not pushing Army not way. It's pushing Army show guys. No pushing. It's called Pat YouTube. It's on YouTube guys. It's a Pat Army TV YouTube. I have that deal guys. I love this spicy. Guys, till I feel like I'm off it all. Like, you hear my father, he plays for my best friend Artom, Sammy, and what, Kai, Noah, Maddox, Felix, all of his fans. They for nine. Guys, what's your favorite season on Fortnite or Chatto? Mine is Chatto 2, Season 4. Guys, I just do it at the time now because I guess castle. That's all I'm making, guys. Get away. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shiva. Ah. 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 Passing away. Now I'm talking about water. Good. Water. Guys, what's your favorite game? My Pokemon Go. Yeah. Okay. You know Mr. Five? Yeah. He's a funny, useful. Oh, yes. He's kicking me. Sorry. He's a famous. Mr. 5 is a funny, useful. His name, his best friend's name is Locks. Deadlocks. Yeah. Like, look, half a flu right now. Lots of flu. Just click in Mr. 5 channel. And say, Lux is sick. It's in more Mr. 5 channel. Not me channel, Mr. 5. The second one, more Mr. 5. Can I remember me and my best friend Aiden from school? On TikTok we did a six Takis challenge, and and Aiden and me to the 6 Takis challenge, and Aiden and me are dying, and Aiden's just sucked if you know. By the way, I was even holding his flower, and I was just in his house playing, no, hanging out. Okay. Get to the Taki challenge. Wait, I had to do it a play. Wait, guys, I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, but hey. Not to make a mess. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I broke it. Why? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Guys, I'm scared, guys. After this episode, dying. 6 Chucky, so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's do the Chucky challenge. Shelter. Wait. Okay, I should know this. I have to wait for more minutes. 60 minutes. I have to get ready to see you bed. 15 more seconds left. Come on. Come on, at you. Come on. Wait. 20 seconds left. Wait. 25 seconds left. Wait, just wait, cool down loud. 10 more seconds left. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Mm. 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 Oh. 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 Look. Ah. Ah. Yes. Yes. Schwager. Oh gosh. Guys, I did a challenge. Sorry, Takis challenge. The way my fingers up, do. I love mommy. Thank you. Guys, I'm almost on my water. Wait. That's hot. By the way, guys, what we talking about? Oh yeah, Mr. 5. Wait. Okay, guys. Look, look at my Takis. I eat 6 of them. Of course. It's not filled, guys. Guys, if you always a Thai video to like, I don't know, the a Thai video, you have good luck this week. Okay? Oh my gosh. Um, guys, to know my body eating after the Takis for part 1, part 2. Like in Idris school, a fake girl tried to multiple challenges started 22 guys. Right? And my brother Adrian and his friends was entire he ate a entire trip. Oh my gosh, guys. Um, yeah, and he he just he chip he ate chips that one chip challenge 22. He go to the cafeteria and joggy the entire meal, like 6 milks, sorry, like 6 milks, or like a ton of milk, a lot, you know, and, and, and he just passed out, and the principal or the staff called 911, guy, and yeah, look, and my boy, like, the outfits went to my brother's school and take her in the ER, and he's up the hospital right now. I hope he just fifth grade is okay. He's go down already. He like 1 week already. Like yeah, it's Asia school. Okay, you okay? I'll say slowly. Okay, this try chip chip chip. I never eat what's oh, it's a master point in a table like this. Wait, the outfits are there. Oh yeah. The last class you saw. Okay. Uh, I just feel I had to poop. Come guys. Uh, guys, my bowl. Wait. Sorry guys, I don't do that. Guys, I drunk 3 to 5 in one day. I'm going and like right now. Water. Ah. Okay, so it's literally a 6 to 10. It's literally not 6 time. Guys, my mom and my dad and my brother going straight in Las Vegas and investment told me. Yeah. The launch feeder in my channel is the AYSO Asian soccer game. Hammerhead Sharks. Look. Awesome guys. Can we hit the crunch? Okay. Ah. I don't
Stop eating that.
Wow. Cheese. Yo. Name of people. Wow.
Andrew, stop it. It's not good for you.
6 more pieces left at Dela's shop. Guys, 6 more pieces. 2, 3, 4, the second one. 5, 6. Guys, actually, just basically, wow. This, I can eat all this. But inside, this is full Takis, guys. This, again, add 20 subs, minutes, I have to, in 28 minutes, I have to start the Takis challenge. Day, swim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, in the end, I had to lick my dust off. Look at my hand. Is this? Joe 7 minutes left now. 1 minute. Okay. Just 1 minute will last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. Take it around. 25 minutes, second left. With this thing. Shoot. No! Cool, I'm gonna have to say 10, 9, 10, 6, 5, 4. Go. Oh my god. Guys, yes. I have to wash my hands. Yeah, I don't lick with that. It's just fancy. Oh gosh. Guys, I'm in a monkey shoe. Oh. Oh gosh. Come on.
Andrew! What?
Guys, wait, I have to clean up. Sorry, guys. Empty water bottle. Cheers. Guys, go down. Right. Wait. So, guys. Come on. Okay, guys. I'll put this away. Guys. Thank you. Look, we did a crazy matcha drink. Guys. Guys. And like a long film, guys. My brothers don't play Fortnite. My brother. My mom. Sorry, my iPad. It's just starting nicely. Okay, starting. Guys. This video, his Modashi likes. I had to eat this, okay? Okay? Is this video gets more tattoo lights? Look, the chip I really open this question now. I have to eat the one chip times that's 22. Yeah, guys. What just say? Warning, do not. Oh my gosh, my pedals, guys. I'm okay, guys. Look, guys. Believe, dream, and try. Okay, warning. Do not eat the heavy spicy food, extra pepper, nice spoon, and bake or groceries. Get out children out of YouTube. Wash your hands with soap and do not touch your eye. Also, I have sick and medical officer. You stay by the next time. But see, what can watch your challenge? Notes. One, it's me. Strategy tutorial chip. See, look. That chip will chuck you down, man. There it is, the monster challenge. Look. Let me read it. Monster challenge. You, a simple being on gangster cat hunter the show on the SVP. The pep wafer. The pepper is the supposed power of the electric pepper on Earth. What to expect? Made for kind people and sugar with pepper. My first trip was great in sucky pressure and pain. Number 1. Don't take out. Number 2. Suck the sensor. Number 3. Say a cheers. Number 4. Shut the close. Now fight overload. Guys, look at this. I read for you guys. We put raise the pepper in the last rows for the challenge. Eat the entire chip for it as sure as your tongue. Guys, I had to bring it in the eat the one chip challenge because I eat Takis. See? Make as long as possible before drinking or eating anything. Post your reaction on social media with one chip challenge meal after packet chips. Okay, I have to read this and I turn blue to full it. See? What's this say, guys? I crushed the packet chips 22 one chip challenge. Okay. Yeah, look. Bucky, what does Ricky? How long can you last before you're so cut? Eating or drink any food for leave? 1 minute, balance 10 minutes, powerful, 3 minutes, subcharge, double episode. Are you will heat sequel spread us these flavors? Think hot, super hot, hot, kinda hot, not hot. And yeah, way do this way. Look, the reaper will light it up, the pepper will light it up. Like this 24 calories, 25, not 24, 25 calories. So see, look, it's there. Reaper, pepper, summer pepper. And yeah. If this gets fantastic lights or fantastic views, I have to eat a chip. Okay, in the fish fiddles, okay? Daily chip. So it's has to 22 chip. Guys, I put it back. Wait. This 8th wave storm. Do you know 8th wave is like you almost got die? Look, if remember I told the story if you could eat this, yeah, he eat the Bucky one chip challenge to have 22. This chip entire tea, okay? Okay, guys. That's it for the JJ Takis, for Takis video. And I hope you like it. Now for the one chip challenge. That's right to you. I hope you like it, guys. And subscribe to my channel and like this video and click the bell down below and click up. Okay, guys? Okay, guys. I will see you next in the next video. Okay? And him is this my room. That's all. Okay? Have a great day. Okay? And subscribe to my channel and click that bell down below and click on and try to Gaming Bros Asian YouTube channel with it's an autumn and subscribe to Pax Minutes, my best friend, Becky Poison. And subscribe to our new YouTube channel, the Dela Poisons. Okay? And yeah, I hope we do the Halloween decorations Halloween Halloween dirty because from last year, like from 2021. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys. Click the bell. Just subscribe. Click the bell down below and click okay. I have fun talking to you in the Saturday night. We do it and comment on my video, okay? Yeah, I have fun talking to you. Okay, I will see you in the next video. And remember, this video gets fantastic views on fantastic like I have to eat just one pocket mochi challenge. I have to train to you. Okay? I have to record it. Okay? I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.